Today's recipe is Colcannon, which is an Irish dish. The ingredients are 1 pound of cabbage, 1 pound of potatoes, 2 leeks, a ½ cup milk, salt and pepper to taste, and a pinch of ground allspice. Also, 1/2 cup butter that will be put in the center at the end. So you're going to cook down the cabbage and the leeks in order to make them soft but not mushy. The longer you cook cabbage, the more watery it becomes, and so you don't want to have that in your mashed potatoes. After they've cooked down a little bit where they're tender, you go ahead and drain them well and mash your potatoes. At this point, you'll add your allspice. Stir in your salt and pepper to taste. I used about a ½ teaspoon, but it really needed just a little bit more than that. But it'll be up to your own taste. Don't add all of your milk at once because you need to see how much moisture is going to come from your greens when you put it in. Otherwise, you'll end up with more of a soup than mashed potatoes or a firm Colcannon. So you mix in all of your cabbage and leeks. You make a well in the center and pour in the melted butter. And in some traditions, they leave that as is so they can use that as a place for dipping. I did end up mixing it all together. You put it with sausages and you have bangers and Colcannon.